On this episode of America is Garbage and We Need to Fix It, and I cannot stand some of our systems that intentionally oppress children, innocent children. A little boy, age 6, was arrested for injury to real property in North Carolina for, hear me out here, picking a tulip at his bus stop. First off, can we please out the person that filed the criminal complaint? Can we please get a name on someone who was that mad they had a 6-year-old charged for picking a tulip at his bus stop because he's 6 and he probably thought the flower was pretty and either wanted to give it to some little girl, his teacher, or his mom. Tell the kid not to do it. It's a freaking flower. And he's 6. He's 6. He was so little that his feet dangled as he sat in court. His attention span wasn't capable of following along, so they gave him coloring books to color while they put him on trial or had a court appearance. And the case is dismissed, so there's no trial, but for picking a tulip. North Carolina allows children from 6 to 12 to be charged in juvenile court for things like this. And do you want to know who it disproportionately affects? Black children. Because of course it does. Because in a state where it's 70% white, 46% of all arrested children are black. When they make up, less than 30% of the population? Yet they make up almost half of the arrests. From the ages of 6 to 12. They are children. He doesn't even understand what's going on. His mother was not allowed in the courtroom. He had to have coloring books to keep him entertained for the charge of picking a tulip. Something I'm sure most children have done at some point in their life. This should not have even made it to court. He should not have been arrested. The person that pressed charges, the cops that hauled this 6-year-old into juvenile court, I want all their names. The judge did the right thing in dismissing the case, but again, 60% of the arrests from 6 to 12 are done to black children when they don't even make up 30% of the population of North Carolina. There's a problem here. It needs to be addressed. It needs to be fixed. I am tired of reporting about black children being bullied by teachers and cops and everything else. It's what gives people that thought where they can think that Tamir Rice, a 12-year-old boy playing with a gun, deserved to be shot. Because we perpetuate this image that black children are dangerous and they grow into dangerous men and all sorts of other stupid stuff, which is just simply not true. He was a child picking a tulip. He did nothing that couldn't have been resolved with a don't do that and a simple grounding or a letter of apology. I mean, anything outside of dragging him into court for injuring real property. Why? Why, America? Why are we like this? Seriously, what is wrong with us? This is ridiculous. All right, guys, I will see you later.